Welcome to Earnside. Today we're creating stock style icons using AI, fast and clean. We'll use two free tools, Ideogram and Recraft. Both offer limited credits, so you'll need to be smart with your prompts. And keep in mind Recraft's free plan doesn't allow commercial use, so this is more for testing and inspiration. Still, you'll see how quickly we can generate 6 flat black icons with minimal effort, perfect for concepting or prepping for manual refinement. Let's start with Ideogram and see what kind of results we can get. To get started, I'm logging into Ideogram using my Google account. It's quick and free to access the basic features. Before we start generating icons, here's a quick look at Ideogram's subscription plans. They offer limited free credits, which are enough for basic testing, and yes, even on the free plan, you're allowed to use generated images commercially. But if you plan to use it regularly or at scale, you'll need to upgrade. For now, we'll stay on the free plan and use our credits wisely. Now I'm entering my first prompt, flat black icon of a graduation cap, minimal design, centered, white background. I've selected a 1:1 square ratio, turned off magic prompt to keep full control, and left style and color on auto. Using model 3.0 for the latest results, and now we click generate and wait a few seconds. The generation is complete. Now let's take a quick look at each icon. I'm reviewing them one by one to see which design is the cleanest and most usable. This one looks solid, minimal, sharp, and centered. Let's go ahead and download it. Now I'm entering my second prompt, flat black icon of a smartphone with one button, simple silhouette, clean edges. Since the settings are already saved, square ratio, model 3.0, magic prompt off, we can simply click generate and wait for the results. The icons are ready. Let's take a quick look at each one. I'm checking for clean edges, balanced proportions, and overall clarity. This one stands out. It's simple, sharp, and fits the prompt perfectly. Let's download it. For the third icon, I'm using the prompt, flat black icon of a heart with pulse line, medical theme, minimal style. I click generate and wait a few seconds, and once it's ready, I bring it into Illustrator and trace it with a single click using image trace. Now we've got a vector version ready to work with. I reviewed all the generated icons and picked the cleanest one and the one with the best shape and minimal noise. This is the one I'll trace and refine further for stock upload. Now I'm jumping into Recraft. Just click Get Started and sign in with Google. You can also create an account using your email and password if you prefer. It's quick, and you'll be ready to generate vectors in seconds. Getting started with Recraft is simple and intuitive. I begin by selecting my purpose and role as a freelance designer. Then I choose my design background and skip company size, not relevant for me. I confirm I help choose tools, and I've used AI image generation before. Next, I select what I plan to create: icons, vector art, and concept visuals. I let them know I discovered Recraft through YouTube and AI tools. With everything set, I click Get Started, and I'm ready to create. Before generating icons, I head into Recraft's model selection. For clean, stock-ready vector icons, I choose the vector icon category. Then I select the pictogram model. It's perfect for simple black icons with minimal detail. Each model in Recraft serves a different purpose, so picking the right one saves time and cleanup later. Now I'm entering my prompt, minimal flat black vector icon of a pencil and ruler crossed, education theme. I've made a few small adjustments to the settings to keep the output clean and minimal, and with the pictogram model selected, we're ready to generate. Clicking the AI button starts the process. Let's wait a few seconds and see what Recraft gives us. You can see 2 icons have been generated. Now let's take a look and decide which one works best. This one looks clean, minimal, and well balanced. The anchor points also seem tidy, so we'll go with this. Clicking export, and downloading it as an SVG so we can refine it manually and get it ready for upload. Now I'm entering my second prompt, flat black vector icon of a briefcase, business style, clean lines. No extra tweaks this time, just keeping it simple and clicking Recraft's AI button to start the generation. Let's wait a few seconds and see what it gives us. The generation is complete. Now I'm scanning through the results to find the cleanest, most stock-ready briefcase icon. I'm looking for sharp edges, balanced proportions, and no extra details that could cause rejection. Once I pick the best one, I click on it and download it directly as an SVG file. This format keeps the vector quality intact and is perfect for manual cleanup or direct upload to stock platforms. Third prompt, flat black vector icon of a computer monitor, tech theme, centered design. Clicking generate, let's see what Recraft gives us this time. Generation's done. I'm picking the cleanest monitor icon from the batch, sharp lines, centered layout, no extra noise. Clicking download as SVG to lock it in for cleanup or upload. That's it for this video. We've generated 6 clean icons, and in the next part, I'll show you how to trace and refine them in Illustrator using a simple, detailed method. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and keep practicing these icon workflows to level up your stock game. Thanks for watching.